This is DSE 2021, question number 1. Let's see what the question is saying. Consider the problem of maximizing the function with respect to xy, and it is subject to a constraint. Now please see this. You're given a function. You want to, this function no doubt is a function of b. It has this constant b also in it, but you want to maximize this subject to a constraint, and the two variables given to you are x and y. B is a parameter, it takes some value fixed greater than 1. So b is greater than 1. Now it says let v be with the minimum value attained, that is a function of b. So now it just switches this question and it says consider another function vb. This is a new function. This vb is only a function of b. This is what it is saying. Then it says consider v dash b be the derivative of vb. Okay, so v dash b is the derivative of vb. Whenever you have to minimize, because vb is the minima, whenever you have to minimize any function, what do? You find its derivative and you equate it to 0. Only that gives you the answer of the minima. Isn't it? So if you have a function for which you want to find the minimum value, what will you do? You will find the derivative of the function and equate it to 0. And that derivative that you will find, that will also be a function of b. Only that will give you b star. Isn't it? So this is nothing, but we just have to say that the answer is v dash b equal to 0.